Hello, Mr. Bubbleitis. We got us an early transitional 6105, 8119, 8110, 8119. April 1971. The loom is darkened some, but it's actually, that should clean up not badly. I should be able to definitely improve that. It won't be perfect. You know, if you've got really dark black marks like here, I'm going to be able to reduce them and make them look better, but there's still going to be a little darkening around the edge. It's just the way it is. This one might be a little more of a challenge. These super, on this hand, these super dark flecks, hopefully they don't go into the metal, especially that little line. I'll clean everything the best I can, and it's definitely going to look better when I'm done. The tops of your markers look nice. See, they're all still nice and frosted. Just need to clean up that loom. Insert took a big hit. I can come in from the back on the with a staking tool, and I can flatten this out some, get that a little better. Still got your loom pip window. This will just, you know, get rid of that doink, or at least make it less noticeable. Get that up. Your clicker clicks. Needs new seals, obviously. Look at that, 6105B. Just like what's supposed to be in there. Do we have any signatures in here? We might. It's like a circle there. No. A little bit of moisture got into your crown. You can see that your movement ring spring goes right back in there. Your movement ring spring rusted away. It's not fully rusted away, but it's not happy. No, it's not that bad. It looks worse than it is, but it was installed incorrectly. Yeah, the whole thing's there. I thought the tip was missing, because what happens is the water, you just get that back in there, the water comes in through the crown, and then it gets stuck between these two, the spring and the body, and the springs are steel and they rust like crazy, and it just holds the water and it wicks around, so these just rust like crazy. It's like a canary in the coal mine. It's not that bad. I can clean that up. Your lower mainspring. Our report is tremendously worn. We can see the edge of this barrel is just, all the plating has been ground away. And the upper ones were. Balance looks like it's traveling in plane. It's not wibbling around. Your winding bridge is loosened up some. You can see it's getting some wear on the plates. Right about, not a lot, but there. But it's a runner. Right now, without having anything apart, I'd say it looks like, looks like it should be relatively straightforward. It's a runner. Oh, I didn't check to see if it hacks. Would you thread on? It has a hacking lever, and it hacks. And your crown locks. 3-4 minutes till. That's good. Let's get it over here. Yep. Hacks as it should, locks as it should, date corrects as it should. I think it should be, ooh, hear the thunder. Okay, I think that should be pretty straightforward. I mean, unless I find something that's broken in there, all that I'm seeing right now is movement service, upper and lower mainspring arbor jewels, loom cleaning on the dial and hands. How is your crystal? It's got a couple gouges in it. A couple big ones. Okay, so we got case rebuild with all new seals, crown seal, movement service with upper and lower mainspring arbor jewels. I've got to correct this doink right here. Crystal, as I said. Case looks decent. It should be relatively straightforward, I would hope. So let me know what questions you got. Thank you.